What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. We have a spinning brush. This is a 5-in-1. If you haven't checked out my other review of the long spinning brush, go ahead and check that review out. I will probably pin it at the end of this video right here. And as soon as you take it out, everything comes right in the bag, you guys. And it has its own personal hook. I love it. We are going to hook this in the laundry room. Now, in our laundry room, that's where we keep all our cleaning supplies and stuff. So wherever you hook your stuff at, that's where you hook it up at. And of course, we have the instructions. You can use this on tile, bath, your showers, your sink, and you can use this on your stove. If you're the type that clean your stove and it's very hard gunk on a stove, then go ahead, use this and go at it. Now right here you have your little sponge and your bristle pad right here. This is probably the most common thing everybody know in the kitchen. So they didn't give you anchors, so if you screw this up, make sure you find a stud, all right? If you don't find a stud, then you will have to use anchors. So it looks like you have two screw holes right here, or they gave you a double-sided tape, in which we have our alien tape, but this is a double-sided tape right here. Stick it on and put it wherever you want to put it in your house. So they have a polisher here, but I'm not sure where would you attach it. Maybe here. Okay. Yeah. So you have to attach it there because that's the only way to attach. Right here it says warning, do not use the product while charging. And they made that quite clear down here. All right, you guys. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and charge it, but let's see if this thing have a little bit of juice right now so y'all can hear it. Oh, this is cool. Twisting the bottom, and there goes your charger port. Very interesting. It looked like you have something where you can hook it, but it's a very small hole, so I don't know how that's possible. Let me see if I could take this off. Does it come off easy? Yes, it comes off easy. Attach your other accessory just like that. And if you want to polish, put this on the top and it wraps right around. And there you go. So if you want to polish something, there you go. Maybe you got a granite countertop and you want to make it real shiny, go right over that bad boy, just like this. And there you go. This is so cool, you guys. Another thing, this is very light, very, very light. So let me go ahead and let this charge. I'm just showing y'all the brush and everything. I'll let y'all know how it cleans, and that will be it.
So what? Oops. Look at that. Hi.